What's up? You're here because you want to import video and other media into Premiere Pro, and I'm here to teach you how to do that. Okay, here we are at Premiere Pro. I'm going to teach you 3 easy ways to import media. It can be video, it can be images, it can be audio, any kind of media that you want to put into your videos, you can import it this way. Head over to your project panel, and here you can just right click and click on Import. Look for the media that you want to import and double click it. Nice and easy. Another easy way to do that without having to right click is just to double click on an empty area in your project panel and then selecting the video. Another really easy way to import footage is to just use your Windows Explorer and to just grab whatever folders that you want and drop them right in. This makes it pretty cool because it sorts into folders right away. There you have it, 3 quick ways that you can import media into your Premiere Pro project.
Stop!
Before you leave, if this was helpful, leave a thumbs up. If you're interested in more helpful how-tos, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.